Welcome back to goldfries. This is the V-Color Prism Pro Kit. Now, this is a very good value for money memory that retails at just RM489. It comes with 8 gigs 3200 MHz CL16 memory. 489 value for money, man? You might be asking me that. Well, let me tell you why it is value for money. After all, the name over here, SCC. Apparently, it says speed booster, cost effective, and colorful. So let me start. Speed booster, is it a really speed booster? Well, I did try to overclock the memory. All I did was load the XMP and set it to 3600 MHz and it boots up just fine. And that's value for money. Apparently, the memory chip is from Hynix. With the overclock setup, I managed to complete a Blender BMW CPU test. Bear in mind that overclocking the memory is just a bonus. Your mileage may vary, and it will vary even more should there be a change in the choice of chips. Now, about the cost-effective part and the colorful makeover part, well, check this out. It comes with a filler kit, also known as the dummy. So this is what the actual memory kit looks like, and this is what it looks like compared with the dummy. The dummy unit does have a slight bluish purple tinge. So basically, if you want to light up your rig, definitely the V-Color Prism Pro Kit is worth your money. And huge thanks to V-Color Malaysia for sending the kit over. That's all from me for this one. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video useful and informative. If you like more of this kind of content, do check out the videos at the side and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.